Hello students, today we will discuss the program by using the switch statement, that is called the menu driven program. Inside this program there will be the three question. There will be the three question in one program. Which one we will select, so that program will respond, and after that it will be the break. The question is there कि where to calculate the area of equilateral triangle, area of isosceles triangle, and area of scalene triangle. So first of all we have to know what is the formula of the scalene triangle, what is the formula of the isosceles triangle, what is the formula of the scalene triangle. Suppose the equilateral triangle is, according to the math, equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 upon 4 side square, and area of isosceles triangle is 1 upon 4 b square and square root of 4 a square minus b square, and the scalene triangle is equal to square root of s multiply s minus m, s minus n, s minus p. So before calculate the scalene triangle, the value of the s we have to calculate. So s is equal to, first of all you will calculate the side, n plus m, n plus p, and divide by 2. But this formula you have to express by using the Java expression when you will make your program. How we will do this program? Now start your program. First of all we will write the command a menu driven program, area of triangles. Then import java.uti.star, then semicolon. Then you have to define the class, public class in menu. Then open bracket, then public static void main, then string argument function. Now we have to use the scanner function. Scanner in is equal to new scanner system.in. Now we have to define the variables. Which variables we are using for the formula? In the triangles, which formula you are using? In the isosceles and in the scalar. So here are the variables we are using: C, S, A, B, M, N, P. Any variable you can take. No need the same variable you will use, but according to the formula, first of all you will use the variable. Now this type of the variable we will define in the integer type of the data, because there is no any decimal point. Now double data type. Area will be in the double type of the double data type, in the form of the double data type will be, because there will be a decimal point after the decimal more than 2. And why use here k? I will tell you later why we will use k, you can understand well. Now area is equal to 0, initial area is 0, because we don't know what will be the area of the triangle, or area of the isosceles triangle, area of the scalene triangle. So then first of all we have to make the menu. by using the system.out.println output statement. One for area of equilateral triangle, then system.out.println to area of isosceles triangle, system.out.println 3 for area for scalar triangles. So we have to write the menu also. Now we will input the value of the menu. We have to define here c. C is equal to int.next integer function. Now this variable, suppose you will press the value case 1, so then it will, the value of the case 1 will be stored into the variable c. If you will case 2, you will do the case 2 for area for isosceles triangle, so then the value of the c will be the 2, case 2. So then it will follow case 2. If you will click the 3 numbers, so then case number 3 will follow and program will be break. So first of all, in case 1, suppose you have to follow the case 1, means system.out.print enter the side of an equilateral triangle, and then you have to give the value of the s is equal to int.next integer function. You are giving the value of the s side, s for we have already defined, then area of a equilateral triangle, area is equal to math dot, what is the formula of the equilateral triangle? The formula of the equilateral triangle is equal to square root upon 4 side into side. We have to define area is equal to math dot square root of 3 multiply side into side upon 4. Right? 0. Because area we have to define in the double data type. And then it will print system.out.println area is equal to plus area. This variable will be print and program will be break. In case suppose you have to calculate the area of the isosceles triangle, so then you will give the value of the with the help of the you will system.out.println enter side and base of the isosceles triangles, because you know what is the formula of the isosceles triangles. Isosceles triangle is equal to 1 upon 4 b square root 4a square minus b square. You will express in the Java expression area is equal to b multiply math dot square root of 4 multiply a minus b multiply b and divide by 4.0. And now system.out.print and then the area plus area. This is the area defined. Then it will display the answer of the which number? Area of isosceles triangle. Now program will be break because you are using here break. Now in case 3, suppose you want to calculate the area of scalar triangle, so then you have to follow the rules of the area of the scalar triangle. So scalar triangle, you know what side you have to enter. I told in the before sometimes why we use here k. I will tell you system, first of all system.out.print and then enter the side of scalar triangles. We have to enter the scalar triangle 3 sides. We have to enter, suppose m, we have to define here m is equal to int.next integer function, and we have to define n is equal to int.next integer function, and we have to p is equal to int.next integer function. You can take any variable. Now we use here k because the formula of the isosceles triangle is equal to square root of s multiply s minus m, s minus n and s minus p, s minus p. So before that we have to calculate the value of the s. So how you will calculate the value of the s? K is equal to n plus p divided by 2.0. Then we have to define here K. This value will store inside this formula. Area is equal to math dot square root k multiply k minus m multiply k minus n multiply k minus p. In your book is giving the s, we have to given here k, no problem. You can take any variable I have already told you. Now after the calculation it will display the answer system.out.println area of scalar triangle, and then program will be there. Suppose instead of the case 1, case 2 and case 3, suppose you will give the value instead of the 1, 2, 3, you will give suppose 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So then what happens? So then it will display the message by default wrong choice, because it will read only 3 cases. Instead of this you will give the another numbers, so then it will say the wrong choice. Okay, understand all of you? I think you have understand well this program. If you have any doubt, so then you can consult to me in my personal numbers. Okay.